waiting for the time to pass you by. Hope
Hello, my lovely family. Welcome to another Vlogmas episode 3. Today we are going to the mall. We are going to do some last minute shopping. But right now I'm currently switching out baby's bags, diaper bags, because the one that I normally carry is this one. But this bag, guys, is too heavy. So I'm gonna switch to this one, which is my bag, my never full dupe, and I'm just gonna put her toiletries in here. In here it is, what do you call this, diapers, and then this was in the wipes, and then tafaki, bum cream, earbuds, and cream for her face, and this cloth in case water and I need to wipe her real quick. So yeah, I'm gonna put them in my bag so that, and this one is very light. This one, oh, it's heavy. It carries a lot, but it's heavy, so I'm not gonna go with it today. I'm gonna go with these two.
I wish you up, just to watch you run away. Please tell me who's getting on my love? Who's getting on my love? Tell me who's getting on my time? All of that used to be mine. Oh, who did you teach what I taught you? Why did I give her my nickname? I don't like thinking about it. I swear that it's wearing me down. But tell me who's getting all of mine? Who's getting all of mine? Love.
Shopping for baby things is so overwhelming. Like, I don't know if I should get her shoes or young. Guys, I love me a convenient toilet that has a kiddies area where we can change baby's diaper. I love it. I love it when the mall does this, like when it has a designated baby napping changing area. Love it lots. This is my OOTD. I'm wearing this crop top from Mr. Price. Jeans are from the Fix. I love the Fix jeans. Jewelry from Mr. Price. And yeah, we got a package from Isabella on Sunday, so I wanted to open it up with you guys and see what we got. Ooh, okay. Got a card. Made and sent with love, my dearest friend. This special delivery is sent with love, care, and a little touch of magic just for you. May it brighten your day, bring you joy to your heart, and remind you that you deserve nothing less then to feel your most radiant and beautiful self. Love always, Isabella. So okay, they are also launching their Pro Dental range. So okay, let's see what we got in here. We got a perfume, Isabella by Isabella. Right here, their perfumes smell so delicious, yo. That's this. A lip peel, a lip gloss, face wash, and maybe what is this? Okay, vitamin C and hyaluronic cellular active serum, anti-age and revive. This is a reviving serum. It is used for nighttime. And last but not least, we have a moisturizer, Super Defense Day moisturizer. So yeah, thank you so much, Isabella Prashia, my sweetie. Okay. Oh, they sent a sample. We have a sample, which is the Pro Dental Teeth Whitening Serum in the flavor Midnight Mint. So yeah, I'll test it out and see how that goes. Guys, I am currently cleaning out mohodu. We're gonna cook mohodu. This is the heart, guys. My favorite part ya mohodu ke pelo le this one ke on mohodu, and then alawa bawiza mathumba ke malana a home, and then le but naki tatela 1 2 and then a yona no dia fetinyana mo mohodu wow. So I'll with hot water. I'm just spraying salt, and then how to put the hair. Suppose to call my mommy in a ish, and Jaka will walk back and you go over to what I'm on. And go so ke mogodu, oh guys, go on the mogodu. I didn't work on mogodu this, and I get a little look to me. I could love it, but I'm telling you, I read mogodu well. Monate na ma monate delicious. I was doing, guys. I was doing. It was hella over costofu. The pizza tofu. Monday. Good morning, Zitandazam. Today it is a beautiful Monday, and I'm taking this little one to go and get her ears pierced. Yeah, I'm so many guys. I'm not looking forward to that, but it has to be done. It got to be done, okay? So yeah, we are going to get her ears pierced. The time right now is like 7:30. So since go go buy, so today go baile gape ke like the list of gape gore o butswe the way, and then get onion and stock. So ke batla go wapa Sesotho man, like a ke batle mogodu o nang le di what ke batla mogodu o plain, and then while mogodu o le mo stofong I wanna quickly do her laundry, so that when we are at the pharmacy while she gets her ears pierced, the laundry is drying up, because we are traveling this week. It will be my first time ever traveling with a newborn. She'll be traveling for the first time, like literally. We are going to my grandparents' house, my dad's side. So we are traveling to Limpopo this week, so I need to pack her things, make sure that everything is packed. And tomorrow I'm meeting up with my friends. It's not yet confirmed, but we are supposed to go for bowling. So yeah, that's it. I thought I should update you guys, and let's support a fellow vlog. It's a my let's say it's a whole it's a hala. Nuyana, ke bile mo godimo stofong, ke batla go tlasa wa shina ngwana, a re fetsa mo ga tlhapa, and then we are headed to get happy. I headed to get her ears pierced. Yeah. So yeah. You bonana. I don't think I'm gonna record her getting pierced because it's traumatizing. Even though I'm traveling with her dad, Mara, it's traumatizing, guys. Look, now the new parents, so it will traumatize her riding. So I guys.
Can't touch me. I try to brush you with the VBS. I try to throw it like it was.
Doe nog 21. Er zit toen nog 21.
Mal.
Hey, 18. 18. Sorry, mama.
Monzer, another OOTD capilla real quick. This shirt is from MRP, guys. I think you've seen it when I went to the Take A Lot event. Yeah, it's from MRP, and then I'm wearing skinny jeans with my sandals from MRP boutique. I got this bag as a birthday gift. I did an unboxing on my previous video. Braids by Zanele, and shades I also got them as a gift, so I don't know where are they from. So yeah,
Wanna feel your arms around me. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow. Yeah, should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over. Yeah, you never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen.
Thank you.
You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit.